It's 6:45 in August, and there's a wildfire many miles away. But look what we have. That's the sun there. It's really dark. Everything's yellow. Crikey. Well, I'm just taking out the compost. It's like some post-apocalyptic movie. It's real quiet too. And the wind has died right down. It was really windy earlier. The garden, you can barely see it.